Hello there. I just figured I should make more videos so you guys don't get bored, because the AI revolution is going to take off now. There's a few things. I think I might have fixed the chat. Now there's a little status line down here showing you what it's doing. And I think it should work fine now. Also, I'm still thinking about pitching my first chatbot. Might just do it today, I don't know. And I made some new fancy utilities. For example, every geek wants to know how fast the machine runs currently. And I made this little thing, Linux only, but it's trivial to port to Windows, or easy to port. It's on 2000 megahertz. It takes the highest clock speed of all cores. So I have 4 cores, so the fastest one of them is displayed here. You see it changes according to the load the machine has. But the actual stuff I wanted to show you is how we can use my AI ideas for understanding source code. So this is a little program here, only the green part that we are looking at. Here it is, the source, and it's split into tokens. This is a token here, the string is a token, and otherwise only single characters are tokens. And these tokens are put in web here and laid out in some suitable way. And then the program looks for brackets, opening and closing brackets. There are 2 kinds that are particularly important in Java. These curly brackets and the round brackets. There are 2 more types, but they're not so important. These are really important for understanding the structure of a source code. And with these arrows, it's pretty intuitive. So from here we can go about annotating more things, like what is a statement, what is a code block, what is a class declaration, and so on. And that will be really useful, because computers that understand themselves also have to understand the language they're programmed in. I talked to an American researcher, and he said, yeah, no, we should use low-level languages, yeah, like some kind of assembler instead of Java, but I don't think that makes sense. It just makes everything harder. Assembler is just harder to program in. And we want to have humans and machines on the same level, looking at the same stuff, looking at the same pictures, listening to the same sound, analyzing the same text, using the same language. Humans and computers on one level. I look at Java. I don't usually look at assembler. Sometimes when I feel like it, I look at what kind of assembler code is made by the machine from my Java code. It's very instructive, but usually you stick on this to this higher level. So yeah, not sure what the exact next application is, but I'm sure I'll come up with something using these code webs. And stay tuned.